Hello everyone. So I'm now at East Coast Park. I've never been to the Jurassic Park at the Changi Airport. Right over there, I think, like, no, way over there. The plan is to get a bike, cycle to the Jurassic Park thing where there's all the dinosaur figurines and all that, and then from that Jurassic area we're gonna go all the way to the Marina Bay. Hopefully I get to like cycle around the Formula 1 track, the Marina Bay Street Circuit. Right now I'm walking to the bike rental place, which is I think around that side. So let's go. I'll see you guys there. So I'm joined with my two friends, Dean and Hairo. We had a bit of pit stop just now. So now we are going to the bicycle place to book the bike. I think, is it open? It should be. Oh wait, it's in front. So it should be open. Yeah. So I will see you there. So here we are at the Jurassic Mile. Say hello. Yes. So this is the Jurassic Mile. I don't know lah. First time come here. It looks interesting. Got Christmas song playing. Let's head in, guys. Let's head in. Alright. We are now in. Bodoh lah. Ladek ni?
Sorry guys.
So sorry.
This is from North America. Alright, then go ahead. Oh, Stegosaurus. That's my favorite dinosaur. I think it's one of my favorites.
Ooh. So that was the Changi Jurassic Mile. Not worth it lah. Not worth it. There's nothing else. Nothing else there, right, Din?
Just Bismillah.
Yeah. There is nothing there. Only a 2-3 dinosaur, and that's about it. I will give it a 4 out of 5. No, a 4 out of 10. Sorry. Harry, what do you think about this Jurassic Mile?
Think about the kids. How do you
Okay, if your children like dinosaur, you bring. If you don't like dinosaur, then you don't go yourself lah. Yeah. So now we are about to head off, hopefully to the Marina Bay there. About that area lah. You know, you go forward until Marina Bay. So I think I'll see you at Marina Bay lah, guys. So we are here at the Marina Barrage, the place where they recycle water, is it? Or something? Forgot so lah, but they do something into the water here. And we are here. And Hyrule is over there, he just arrived. Great job, Hyrule. You're all really exhausted. Well, this is a great achievement for us. Just look at that view, man. Wow.
So in the end, we did not cycle to the Marina Bay street circuit, you know, the Formula 1 circuit, because, well, we rented the bikes for 4 hours and we were reaching the 4-hour mark, so we couldn't really go any further. So we ended up just chilling at the entrance of the Marina Barrage. Now, fun fact, I did not realize that my GoPro was recording what you're looking at right now. So I'm just like scrolling through my Instagram, my Twitter. So yeah, we just sat there and chilled for a few minutes, and then we headed back to the rental shop to return our bikes, and that's about it really. And yeah, after this, you guys will see a few shots of us heading back to the bicycle shop to return the bikes. And my past self, which is Hamizan in the video, will end off this video for you guys. So yeah, this is so weird.
So that's the end of our day, everyone. 2 things to take note. The Jurassic Mall is not worth going for. There's nothing there at all. And the second thing to take note is that the Marina Barrage is quite near to East Coast. You can go there every week if you want to. You just rent a bike and can cycle from East Coast to the you cycle from the East Coast to the Marina Barrage. Very easy. And the view that you get when you cycle to the Marina Barrage is absolutely breathtaking. So I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you watch, I'll try and take my time to edit the video. And if there's any other time where I go out, I'll catch you guys there. Bye bye.